undeniable dilemma, but I'm not a burden anyone should bear. Constant overstimulation numbs me, but I would not want you any other way. It's just not enough, I need more. Nothing seems to satisfy. I said I don't want it, I just need it to breathe, to feel, to know I'm alive. Finger deep within the borderline. Show me that you love me and that we belong together. Relax, turn around and take my hand. I can help you change tired moments into pleasure. Just say the word and we'll be well upon our way. Blend and balance, pain and comfort deep within you until you will not want me any other way. It's just not enough, I need more. Nothing seems to satisfy. I said I don't want it, I just need it to breathe, to feel, to know I'm alive. Now go deep inside the borderline. This may hurt a little, but it's something you'll get used to. Relax, step away. To everything, what became subtlety? But how can this mean anything to me? And if I really don't feel anything at all, well, I'll keep digging till I feel something. Go deep inside the borderline. Show me that you love me